Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mentor. So in this video I'm going to share with you new online research project which I got on Upwork. Basically my client provided me some links, so there was only the person LinkedIn profile link. So he said that you have to find this person full name, his title, email address, location address, and also company name and also website. So we have to find all of this data. So I am going to show you everything step by step, so you have to watch this video completely so that you can understand everything easily. Okay, so first I want to show you the client link which he sent to me. So in sheet 3 there are some link which you can see here. I am just giving you some demo. I'm not showing you all the links because client didn't allow me to show you everything, but I'm just showing you some link. So first I'm going to copy. I just click on this link. So when I click on this link, so this link will be automatically open in new window because this is the hyperlink. So we are just going to wait for it. So now you can see here this link is going to be open now in my LinkedIn. But if you don't want to do this, so you can also just copy this. So when you copy this and then just go and paste in any Google, so when you paste it, so you will be able to be open this link in your LinkedIn account. So you must have a LinkedIn account. You don't need to be have a premium account. Free account is okay. So I have just free account in my this Chrome browser. So I have also a LinkedIn sales navigator, but in this Chrome I have just opened my free LinkedIn account. Okay, so you can see here now guys, so this is the person name. So we have to copy this name from here. So there are many jobs available on Upwork and Fiverr, so you can provide this service by just finding client full name, title, email address, and company website name and website. So that's pretty simple work. So you can do this kind of work on Upwork, guys. So if you want to learn about more about this kind of work, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I will share with you more project on this YouTube channel in Easy Mentor, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, so now I'm going to paste this link here, guys. Okay, so I just paste this name. We have to paste full name. As you can see here, the client told me that you have to paste complete name. In some project you might seen that client told you that you put the first name and then put second name, I mean last name in other columns. So in this client told me that you have to post face full name in one column. So I just pasted here. So now we have to copy this person title. So you can see here, guys, this is the title of this person. So I'm just going to copy this title, complete title. Okay, so I just copy this and now I'm going to paste it here. So now we have to copy another detail. So here is this person location address. So you can see, guys, so I just copy this person location from this place. So now I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so now we have to collect this person email address. So now you can see, guys, I have Canva tool extension. You can use this extension for free. This extension give you 100 credit for free. I mean you can find 100 people email address with one Gmail account for free. If you want to buy freemium, then you can also buy premium package. But in the beginning I will recommend you to try to use this free version because it's also give you 100 credit. As you know, you can see I have 91 credit. It means that I can find 91 people email address with this tool for free. But if you want to use this tool for free for a long time, so that you have to create mini Gmail account. So then you can log in with one Gmail, then you will be able to use 100 credit, and then you can use another Gmail account for another 100 credit. So you can also follow this way also. Okay, so now we have to click on this get info. So the email address will be appear here. So now you can see this is the email address of this person and this is the 100 valid email address. So I just copy this email address and now I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so now we have to come in down here and now you can see here this is this person company name. So you can also click here. You can also come in down and here you can see experience. And now you can also click on this. So when you click on this, so this company website will be also here, and this company name will be also, so we can copy this company name from here. You can see this is the company name, so I just copy this name and now I'm going to paste it here. Now we have to copy this company website, so just click on this visit website. So now you can see this company website will be open here. So I will copy this, and then we have to move to the next. Okay, so I'm also going to do a next entry also, so I'm just copy this another person entry, and now I'm going to paste it here, so it will be open automatically. Now I'm going to copy this, sorry, Control plus Z. So just copy this and now cut it this, and also now we have to paste it here. So guys, now you can see we have completed one entry by just doing very simple work. It's pretty simple, you don't need a lot of experience by doing online research project. It's very simple. So if your client provided you some LinkedIn profile link, and he told you that you have to find this person email address, so you can find this person email address by doing this simple work as I am showing you also now in the details. So we have find one person contact details, so now we are going to find this contact detail for another person. So now guys, you can see here this is the another person, so we have to also find collect this person data from here. So now you can see here this is the person name, so I'm just copying this name. Okay, so now I have to paste it here. Now we have to copy this person title, so here this is the title of this person, you can see here. So I just copy this here. You just need to copy this here. Okay, so this is the person title, special advisor to the chairman. So we just copy this, and now we are going to paste it here. Okay, you also don't need guys to paste this company name here, because you can see this is the company name, so you just don't need this. Just copy the person title, so partner is the person title, so that's enough for us. And now here this is the person title, so that's enough to copy for that part. Okay, so I just copy this. Now we have to copy this person link address, so here is the address guys, so just copy this. Okay, now we have to paste it here. I just paste this person sorry, remove that, and now we have to paste it here because we are going to paste this person address. So I just paste it here. The next part is here we have to find this person email address, so just click on this get info. After clicking on that, the email address will be here, so just copy this, and now we have to paste it here. Okay, pretty simple, so easy work guys. So now we have to do another work, and that is to collect this person company name. So just coming down here, and you can see here this is the person company, and you can also copy from here. Just click on this. So when you click on this here, you will be able to move to this, so then click on this experience here. Now you can see, so when you click on this, you will be able to collect this person company name. So here is this person company, just copy this. Okay, so I just copy this name, and now I'm going to paste it here. It's mean I did some mistake. Yeah, this, let me go down, David ATM. It's okay. It's mean this person is also from this company, so I have just copied this information also, because this person are from a same company. So he is the partner. He is the partner in this, and this person is special advisor to the chairman for this company. Okay, so that's fine. So just coming down here and just click on this. Yeah, you can also just copy this person website from here, because these two guys are from one company. So just copy this website, just copy this, and then just paste it here. I will also do another entry so that you can understand everything clearly. Okay, so guys, you can see this is the this person company website. Okay, so now I'm going to do another entry so that you can understand everything clearly. So just copy this person LinkedIn profile and then paste it in Google. So when you paste in Google, so this person profile will be open. So then you just need to copy this person data from LinkedIn, because it's very easy work. You don't need to spend a lot of time. It's also depend on your net speed. If you have good internet connection, so then you can do this work very fast. But now I am doing this work, so now my internet connection is not pretty well in this time because there are some issue. Okay, so now I'm going to just copy this person link. So guys, this will be the last entry, and then I will stop this video because it will be so long if I do everything. Okay, so just copy this link and then just paste it here. Okay, so now we have to copy this person title. So here you can see guys, so this is the person title. So just copy this. Okay, so then paste it here. Now we have to copy this person location. So you just copy this location and then we have to paste it here. Okay, so now we have to copy this person LinkedIn email address. So here is the email address, so just copy this. Okay, just copy this email address and then paste it here. Okay, so now we have to copy this person company name. So just comment down here and then now you can see here experience. So here is this company, this person company. So just click on this. When you click on this person company LinkedIn profile will be open. So here is this person company LinkedIn profile. So just copy this and also click on learn more, and now we are going to paste this person company name. So now we have to copy this person LinkedIn profile. So just copy this LinkedIn profile and now paste it here. Okay guys, so you can see here this pretty simple work. You don't need a lot of experience by doing this kind of work. So if you want to do this kind of work, you just need to create your account on LinkedIn, on Upwork, also in a good.com, your fiverr.com. So which website you want, you can start your online earning journey by just providing the simple work. Your client will provide you some LinkedIn profile. It may be 1000, it may be 100, and he will also give you some detail related to this work, as he told me that you have to find every person full name, title, email address, and location address in company and website. So you have to put all this data in Google in MS Office Excel sheet. So I just put everything in this. So that's pretty simple work guys, and I will also share with you some more projects so that you can understand everything clearly. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos. So if you have any kind of question, you can send me email address. I have already given email address link in the video description, so you can communicate with me. You can also ask any question in the comment section. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.